Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the skies with two hot drones that have everyone buzzing. On one side, we have the DEERC D20 mini drone, and on the other, the Holy Stone GPS drone HS360S. Let the drone wars begin. First up, let's talk about the moolah. The DEERC D20 mini drone is priced at a wallet-friendly $69. Perfect for those who want to fly high without their bank account crashing down. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS360S comes in at $209. While it's a heftier price tag, many reviewers believe it's worth every penny for the features it offers. Now, let's zoom into the camera quality. The DEERC D20 gives you 720p HD pictures and live videos. Reviewers found it solid for its price, but not exceptional. Then, we have the Holy Stone HS360S, which boasts a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor. Reviewers rave about its stunning image quality, making it a favorite for aerial photography enthusiasts. Alright, let's talk features. The DEERC D20 is packed with fun features like 3D flips, voice control, and gesture selfies. Reviewers love its ease of use and entertaining features, especially for beginners. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone HS360S is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It has GPS, a return home function, and intelligent recording modes like spiral up and catapult. Reviewers appreciate its advanced features and versatility, making it suitable for both novices and experienced pilots. Next up, battery life. Both drones give you about 20 minutes of flight time. The DEERC D20 comes with two rechargeable batteries, doubling the fun time according to reviewers. The Holy Stone HS360S has a powerful modular battery and boasts a 10,000 feet control range. Reviewers highlight its impressive range and reliable battery life, making it ideal for extended use. Finally, let's chat about user experience. The DEERC D20 is super kid-friendly and easy to control, making it perfect for beginners and young pilots. Reviewers commend its simplicity and durability. The Holy Stone HS360S, though, is like the Tesla of drones. It's got all the bells and whistles, but it's also user-friendly with an upgraded control system and optical flow positioning. Reviewers note its professional quality and ease of use, even for those new to drones. Overall, the DEERC D20 mini drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great starter drone. The Holy Stone GPS drone HS360S receives high marks for its advanced features, superior camera quality, and professional feel, making it worth the higher price for those looking for more than just the basics. So which drone should you get? If you're on a budget and just want a fun, easy-to-use drone, the DEERC D20 is your best bet. But if you're ready to splurge a little and want pro-level features, the Holy Stone HS360S is the way to go. Either way, you're getting a solid drone that'll make your Instagram pop. That's it for today's Drone Showdown. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. And don't forget, product links are in the description. Fly smart, buy smart. Until next time, happy flying.